Hello, my friends. I am super excited to share with you a collaboration that I'm doing with my friend, Recrafted by Carol. We are doing a grungy haunted mansion collaboration, and we are using two digital kits. One digital kit, and the one I'm showing you right now, was created by Carol again, Recrafted by Carol. And the name of her kit is Shabby Grunge, and we're going to mix that with one of my kits. My kit is called Haunted Mansion, and I'm going to show that to you in just a second. We are both planning on sharing a video on each Monday of the month of September for this collaboration. If you don't know Carol, please go check out her channel. I will have it in my description box. Also, if you love her kit, go to her Etsy shop and download it for yourself. I will have that listed in my box as well. Now I'm going to show you the Haunted Mansion kit that I created, which is available in my Etsy shop. And of course, I will have that listed in my description box. If you would like to join in on our collaboration with us, feel free to do that. You can download her kit or my kit or both of them. Our challenge is going to be to marry these kits together and make an awesome journal. I always love a challenge like that, so I am really looking forward to this. Now today's video, I'm basically sharing both of the kits. I will be showing you the scrapbook paper that I'll be using, and right now I'm going to go ahead and show you the ephemera that comes in the kit that I created. Some of these pieces are large enough to use as tags, but many of them can be used to either embellish your pages or use to create tags. I wanted to let you know that I will definitely be listing this journal in my Etsy shop when it's done. It will be finished before the last video goes out for this collaboration. So keep an eye on my Etsy shop if you like Halloween journals. I am really looking forward to sharing this collaboration with you guys. I'm looking forward to fall and all the pumpkin flavors coming out and, pumpkin scented candles and all that kind of stuff. This collab is definitely going to help set the mood for me. And I'm really looking forward to a break in the weather. I live in Florida, so it's still quite warm here, and it will continue to be quite warm until probably mid to end of October. But this will still sort of get my mind in the fall spirit. I appreciate you checking out my video. I appreciate you checking out Carol's kit and my kit and seeing the ephemera and all that good stuff. I truly appreciate the time that you spend here. Let me know what you think of our kits. I love interacting with you guys. I love it when you leave comments. Oh, and here is the scrapbook paper that I'll be working with as well. I printed my digitals on the back of this scrapbook paper. I think this is going to be a really fun journal, and I think it's going to have a nice little spooky vibe. Nothing evil, just a little bit spooky, but I'm really looking forward to making it. I also have this small paper pad. I believe this was either gifted to me during the holidays or gifted to me in Happy Mail, and my apologies that I can't quite remember. But if you gifted it to me, let me know and I'll be sure to tag you in my description box. Thanks for watching. See you soon.